The all-new Blackstone Open Flame just might be your new obsession. The Blackstone Open Flame is a showstopper. It's an event. It's an asado-style cooker at home. The 22-inch by 17-inch cooking surface gives us plenty of room to cook for 2 or to cook for 20. This thing looks stunning, but it's truly built to last. The heat-retaining stainless steel lining is for high heat cooking, but the crank wheel can lift our grates higher or lower, giving us more access to that fire so we can go fast and furious, a quick hot sear, or we can slow things down and do an hour, 2, 3, even a 4-hour cook if we want to. Being able to control our temp by raising or lowering our cooking grate gives us access to fast and furious or low and slow. It's a very simple mechanism. You just crank away and it lifts up away from the coals, or you release the lock and it goes further down, giving you access to that high heat temp. Included with your open flame is the Brasero. Now on the side, you can use charcoal, you can use lump hardwood charcoal, and you can also use wood fire cooking. This is a different flavor. It changes the game. It takes your flavor game to the next level. I personally like to do a mix of charcoal and hardwood. I feel like it gives me the most heat retention and it gives me the most flavor. You also get the open flame rake, so as your embers fall down, you rake them over to get a nice bed of coals, a nice bed of embers so that you can cook at the temp that you want. If you've never cooked over open fire, the Blackstone Open Flame is a game changer. You're absolutely gonna love it, whether you're cooking for 2 or 20, whether you're cooking seafood or beef or something quick or something long. It's a showstopper. You're definitely gonna wanna check it out.